Every serious tool has a pro tier. This is PremiChart Premium. What you get, what it looks like, and why there's a 7-day free trial so you can judge it yourself. Let's go through it.
First, watch lists, plural. Free gets you one list. Premium lets you organise. Growth names here, dividend payers there, a speculative bench on the side. The folder button creates a new list, and switching takes one tap. Your ideas stop living in one pile.
Daily picks, the full feed. Every trading day, the app screens the whole market. Trending names, fundamental screens, breakout setups, each with the thesis written on the card. This is the idea inflow, refreshed daily.
Heard is the headline feature. On every symbol, Premium unlocks its full historical context, the crowd score, the channel, and the drawn range built from how this stock behaved in similar conditions before. It's the difference between seeing today's number and seeing today's number in context.
On the Analysis tab, the future price estimate puts the same maths into plain numbers, a figure, a range, and the confidence behind it, updated as conditions change. Read it in 5 seconds, no chart required.
And for the long game, portfolio projection. Point it at what you own, tell it what you add monthly, and it models the years ahead. Worst case, base case, best case. Compounding is hard to feel. This makes it visible.
Everything you just saw is in the 7-day free trial. Full access, cancel anytime. PremiChart is free on the App Store. The link is below. Tomorrow, how to actually research a stock with all of this.